Family Fashion Finds. I'm gonna style it 90s.
And I'm gonna go 70s. What a shocker.
I'm wearing this shrunken printed tee with these really baggy jeans. It reminds me of like a 90s skater look, which I like a lot.
And I'm doing a 70s skin tight turtleneck, right? They're Palazzos from the 70s. Look how the lines match up completely. Clothes were made so well back in the day.
So I don't know whether to go here between these two shoes.
Should I go the red to pick up the red and the stripes? See, look.
I would go with the red on.
Wait. Or the brown, which is so much more 70s.
Yeah.
I think we have to go brown.
So the shoes are a little bit covered.
Yeah, no, I like these on you because it has a really 90s feel, right? So here's the problem with buying vintage. I don't know what it is, but look, they're like floods, and I want them to the floor. The red is so much better if the shoes have to show, right? This is like super fly. Simple black ribbon, very 90s. Okay, let's do bags.
I want to go with this little like lilac pink purse thing. It's crossbody and I want it to stick out under the actual crop of the puffer.
That's smart. Look how good that looks, Ivy.
I like it a lot.
The proportion of this jacket is insanity. This look with the cropped is elongating her waist and giving her a kind of hourglass thing going on. Mine, on the other hand, because the pants are so high and the jacket is so short, it looks like I have legs forever.
And this is why the crop
is quintessential to a good wardrobe. Have a good day.
Bye, y'all.